Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete saved audio on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram, and then you need to click on the search, and I'm going to open an Instagram reel. Then you need to click on original sound and click on saved audio. So let me save 3-4 audio. So I'm going to save this video and click on saved audio. Let me select one another. Okay, click on the original audio and click on saved audio. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and click on your story and try to create a story. Okay, then you need to click on the sticker icon that is from the right, that is the third sticker, and click on music. And here you can see that you can search any music, or you simply need to click on browse. So let me click on that music, and in the top you will find an option of save music. You simply need to click on that and delete that. Unfortunately, it is not showing onto my screen, but you can find here an option and you can delete music. So this is a process by which you can delete save audio on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.